That is a giant P-38 1600mm one right there. It's been rebuilt. This is the Re-Maiden, rebuilt by that gentleman down there, Mr. Tony Range. He spent months rebuilding that thing that was almost confetti. So this will be the Re-Maiden. Taking off! Okay, we got good winds. Take off flaps. Whoa. Nose heavy. Very nose heavy. I'm gonna need help. Hey, where's Robert?
He's not here. You want him?
Yeah. I need help with the trim. That's why I can't let go of that.
What's the matter? Can I help you?
Do you know how to trim the elevator?
Yeah.
I need right now. I need a lot of up elevator to make her go up.
So you want to push down on this thing, right?
I believe so. The elevator?
What's the elevator?
Okay.
More?
I'm gonna hang on. Let's do all of it, please. Okay. Get her out there. Okay, thank you. Okay. So she looks good in the air.
Great.
Yeah.
Looks really good.
I definitely have to do mechanical trimming and weight balancing on the tail. Probably put more weight in the tail. But I don't have to put so much elevator input now. There we go.
Something on the elevator?
Oh no, I was doing a little bit of aileron trim. Sorry! I was trying to get it out of the way and a little too slow.
Is the landing gear down?
Is it? No, I don't think so. It shouldn't be.
You're doing a good job, man.
I want to bring her down right now. Landing! Okay, orientation is off. There it is. Okay, there's my orientation. The weight is really off. So
She's down, John.
yeah.
Good job.
So I have to remove. There's weights in the nose that we did from the previous before she was crashed. I think I have to remove those weights. That door isn't broken, guys. It's just off the hinges.